Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Wiseman here, and I'm back in our library today. And I don't know if you've ever visited a real library, but if you look behind me, there's all kinds of books on the shelves. And I don't know about you, but I love reading and I love books. And sometimes I'm not the best reader, but I try, and my brain gets bigger, and practice makes perfect. So I get a little bit better each time. I have a really good book to read, and do you know how I know it's a good book? It's got Dr. Seuss's picture on it, and it's on a medal. And medals, when you get medals, they usually mean that it's really good or you did a really good job. So let's read this book and see how good it is, because I'm seeing an author's name, Mo Willems, and I love his book, so I'm thinking, oh yeah, it's really good. There is a bird on your head. Mr. Wiseman. There is a bird on your head. No words. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! You might scare the bird, goodness. Is there a bird on my head now? No. N-O, no. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. Can you see the heart on it? The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Oh, wonder where the one's going. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? What are they doing? Looks like they're making something. They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? What are in bird nests sometimes? I am afraid to ask. Uh-oh. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. Uh-oh, what happens to bird eggs? I don't want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. Are they going to fly away? The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. What's hatching mean? Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Do you know what hatching is yet? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. When eggs hatch, they crack and open up, and out come the birds. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head, and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Take a belly breath, you're gonna hurt the baby chicks. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Oh, so if someone is doing something that you don't like, instead of getting mad, just ask them to please stop. Okay, I will try asking, excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? He used kind words, but he also used a kind voice. No problem. Oh, it worked. Bye. See, they listened because he was nice. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. I wonder where the birds went. Oh, you are welcome. All right, boys and girls, that's the end. The pigeon finds a hot dog? What? Okay, boys and girls, well, you know what? I think Dr. Seuss was right. I think that was a good book. Mr. Wiseman saying goodbye, and don't forget your quiet voice when you're in the library.